this is Rob with Rob's YCF Pit Bike Sales. Today we are going to be talking about the factory exhaust from YCF. This is for the Pilot 150, and basically we're going to be just a real quick talk about what the pipe is like, what the exhaust is like, and basically what it does and what our retail price is. So here it is. You can see the exhaust. It's a very nice finish. Gives the bike that really nice factory look. Black exhaust muffler. So I just want to compare, if you want to see the difference between what comes on the 150 stock compared to what the factory exhaust looks like, just to see the difference on the appearance it does and gives you on the bike. Right here is your exhaust pipe. So you can basically see the difference. And then coming up to the muffler, a little side by side to see what that looks like. And you can see it's a world of difference. And we're going to fire this up here and give you the sound of let you hear the sound of what this bike sounds like. It gives it a very factory exhaust note. Super nice sound. Again, doesn't really give you much of a horsepower gain. You're not going to notice too much with that. So if you're looking for something that's going to speed the bike up, give it more HPs, it's not going to do that for you. But for $299 MSRP, it's an awesome upgrade to the bike to give it that factory look and factory sound. So let's start this thing. Alright, so we got the bike running now. So let's go ahead and blow. This is that exhaust go. Alright, well, you got to hear that exhaust. Sounds really nice. Basically sounds like a big bike, 250 or 450. Let me know if anyone is ever interested. I can get these. Again, $299 is MSRP. So give us a call, 321-749-8591, or like us on Facebook, Rob's YCF Pit Bike Sales. And we'll catch you on the next segment.